Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious stuffed crust pizza, stay tuned. Okay, first I'm going to start off with some cheese sticks. I have about 13 cheese sticks and I'm going to go ahead and cut those in half. I'm using Sargento, but you can use any brand you want. Just make sure that it's low moisture mozzarella cheese. Alright, so I have my pizza dough here that I'm just spreading out lightly, and I'm spreading it out a little bit past the pizza pan, and you'll see why in a second. Then you want to go ahead and start putting on your mozzarella cheese, and make sure that you put it very, very close to the edge of the dough. I had more mozzarella cheese left over after I completed my circle, so I just cut those pieces in thirds and just went around one more time with more cheese. So once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and start rolling your edges. So you want to roll and tuck and then pinch the dough together so the cheese won't just ooze out everywhere and stays in the crust. So you're going to roll, tuck, and pinch. So I'm just going around one more time and making sure that I crimp and pinch those edges so the cheese can stay in place. So once you make sure those edges are secure, you're going to go ahead and add in your pizza sauce, and I'm using Classico. You can use any brand that you like, and take a few big dollops of that sauce. You can add as many or as little sauce as you would like, but I would highly suggest you not use too much sauce because you don't want your pizza crust to be soggy at the bottom. And just take your spoon and spread it out as evenly as possible. So now we can go in with our shredded mozzarella, and I'm going to put a light layer of that cheese at the bottom. And then I'm going to go in with my cooked mild Italian sausage. And then some pepperoni. And then I'm going to go back in with that shredded mozzarella cheese and spread that out as evenly as I can. And then back one more time with that Italian sausage and more pepperoni on the top. Okay, so now we're going to make our garlic butter. We have about 2 tablespoons of butter. We have some pepper, we have some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some parsley. We're going to take that and pop it into the oven for about 20 to 30 seconds until it's nice and melty like that. And then we're going to spread that all over our pizza crust. Once you're done with that, you're going to pop it into the oven for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees, and this is how it looks. So delicious. So I went ahead and cut it into 8 slices. And I could hardly wait, you guys. I was so wanting this pizza. I had made this same pizza the week before, and my 5-year-old son requested it for me to make it again, so I had to make it, and it was just as delicious as the first time. I hope you guys give this pizza a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below, and I hope you love it just as much as we did. And until then, I will see y'all on the next video. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with the pizza lover as well. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.